The Jabra Elite 75T. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Jabra Elite 75T. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Jabra Elite 75T features 7.5 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case. It has quick charge, 15 minutes will give you 1 hour of listening time. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC SBC codec, and CVC for noise reduction. Button controls, it has an app, and also a hear-through feature. USB-C for charging, and it's IP55 dust, sweat, and water resistant. The case has a nice compact feel and it's plastic all around. It provides a good grip, and you can see the Jabra branding etched in on the front. On the back you'll find the charge status LED and the USB-C charge port. The lid is easy to open and close and it utilizes magnets. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets, and the inner lining of the case has a grippy rubber feel to it. The earbuds are fairly small and utilizes 6mm drivers. It has an ergonomic shape to it, and the ear indicators are marked on the inside. On the outer face, you have the button control. Each of the earbuds feature microphones, LED, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are straightforward. It's just a few clicks or a long hold to get the desired functions. There is also an app available, the Jabra Sound Plus. This will allow you to customize the EQ settings or use some of the presets. It also has controls for the hear-through feature, and you can toggle the volume levels. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 33 grams, and the earbuds come in at approximately 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Jabra Elite 75T microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I do have some mixed opinions on the microphone levels during calls. I felt that it came in a bit low and muffled. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Jabra Elite 75T, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found the earbuds to be very comfortable. Fitment was perfect for me and it created a nice tight seal. You definitely get good passive noise isolation. On the other hand, the button controls do tend to push them in further into your ear canals and it can be a bit uncomfortable. It also had no issues staying into place while running. Build-in quality is solid. It has a simple case design and it feels durable. And the earbuds are small and it feels solid as well. The earbuds don't protrude out as much compared to other earbuds. I like the app integration with the earbuds and being able to customize some of the settings and using the presets. The USB-C is a plus, but would have been nice to see wireless charging. And as mentioned earlier, the microphone was not that impressive for me during calls. Now when it comes to sound, I would say this falls on the warm sound signature. The bass is definitely prominent and it just resonates. It's not overwhelming deep bass like the Liberty 2 Pro or the Edifier TWS-NB that I just reviewed, but it's definitely solid and tight. Mids and highs also come in clean and crisp. I found that the vocals do stand out, but they're not too bright, and there's decent separation. The EQ settings in the app definitely helps and you can tailor it to your listening needs. You can definitely dial down the bass if it's too much for you. The hear-through feature worked as advertised, and I like the fact that you can adjust the volume on it. It picked up the surrounding noise loud and clear and with no issues. Overall, I found the sounds to be solid and in line with a lot of earbuds at this price point. The battery life is respectable and app integration is a plus. Having the IP55 rating will sure help those that lead active lifestyles and protect you from the elements. So that is my review of the Jabra Elite 75T. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.